Welcome to EM Facts. In this episode, we'll discuss an important topic for new moms: hand-expressing breast milk. It's a natural and efficient way to express milk and can come in handy when you're away from your baby or need to relieve engorgement. Now, let's dive into some tips and tricks to help you get the most milk out of hand expressing. Tip number 1: find a comfortable position. Whether sitting or standing, ensure you're relaxed and comfortable. You can lean forward slightly or use a pillow to support your arm. Tip number 2: massage your breasts before and during hand expression. This can help stimulate milk flow and increase the amount of milk you can express. Tip number 3: use your thumb and index finger to form a C shape around your breast. Gently compress and release, working around the breast to fully express the milk. Tip number 4: experiment with different hand positions. Using the opposite hand or changing the angle of your fingers can make a big difference in your milk output. Tip number 5: don't forget about the milk in the ducts closer to the nipple. After you've finished hand expressing, gently squeeze your breast from the base towards the nipple to release any remaining milk. And there are some tips and tricks to help you master the art of hand expressing breast milk. Remember, it may take some practice to find what works best for you, but you'll soon become a pro with patience and perseverance. Thanks for tuning in to EM Facts, and we'll see you in the next episode.